Last week, you built your agent, and I bet it feels better than you started with. Mine does, but is it actually better?
Well, that's one thing you can't take our word for, or your own. Feels better is exactly what a person with the worst judgment is doing, especially about something they just built for themselves.
Which stung a bit because I made changes to mine this week, and I was certain about it.
Welcome to week 7, where we stop guessing and get an actual answer. Here's the trap. You can change something, you can try it once, and it answers nicely. That felt like a proof. It wasn't. You changed the thing and asked a different question, so you can't tell which one did it.
So, what does count?
A fixed set of questions. The same ones every single time. You ask your agent all of them, twice, under 2 conditions, and then you count one clear thing in the answers.
Like, how often does it ask me a question first instead of simply handing me a finished plan? That's what we've been caring about all summer, so let's count that.
Exactly. That same question counted in the same way, twice. Now, a difference means something. That's called an eval.
And here's where I went wrong. I changed 2 things at once, and then I couldn't tell you which one mattered.
That's the discipline that makes it trustworthy. Between your 2 runs, change one thing only. Here's the instruction. Off is, you're a helpful planning assistant. On is, coach me. Don't do it for me. Ask a question first. Same model underneath. Same 10 questions. The one line different, that's an ablation. And it's what lets you say that specific thing is what made the difference.
And you can use ours or drop in the coaching line you wrote yourself. Both are worth measuring. One change at one time.
Let me run it. Same questions, feature off first. And there it is. 2 numbers side by side. You can read the difference straight off the screen.
When I ran mine, I was so sure about it. Same questions, one thing different. But the numbers came back the same. Not worse, just the same. My change did nothing at all.
And that's a result, a real one. You know something that you didn't know an hour ago. And you know it for certain instead of hoping or believing.
It's a bit humbling and it's a useful result. So if your number doesn't move, please send it to us anyways. That's not a failed experiment. That's the experiment working. Your task, due Friday, August 7th. Open this week's notebook and run it once, top to bottom. Fill in the little table and write 3 sentences on what changed or not and why you think so.
Then send us 3 things. Your 2 numbers, your 3 sentences, and the notebook itself. Share it so we can look through too. And if you swapped in your own coaching line instead of ours, send that wording too. The number only means something next to the words behind it.
And if the honest answer is, it made no difference, write that.
One more thing, and this one is optional. What you just ran is a real test.
Meaning what exactly?
Meaning the project itself could use it. Right now, nothing in our code checks whether a coaching instruction actually makes the model coach. Yours does. So it can go in, and then it runs for the next person too.
That's the thing I didn't expect about open source. A test is a contribution. It doesn't have to be a feature.
Offering your work to a project is called a pull request. Let's show you how. That line is the only part people missed. Nothing types it in for you in a browser, and it goes in the big description box, not the small message line. It's the same promise you already made in your agreement.
And if it gets merged, you're listed as a contributor. permanently with your name on it.
Nothing about your certificate depends on this. It's a step past handing your work in, not part of it. Take it whenever you're curious.
Now, if you're interested in doing a pull request where you share your work with us, the first step is saving your week 7 notebook. To do that, you're going to go to File, all the way down to Download, and then you're going to download the IPYNB file, which means IPython Notebook. Save that to your computer. Then you're going to go to the Sage.Education Downs repo on GitHub. If you don't have that link, you can also email us for it. And then you're going to make a fork. So I'm Izzy Plant, and I'm making or the same repository name, and I'm making a copy and create the fork. Next, there's a folder called Notebooks. You're going to open that. So once you're in the Notebooks, you're going to go to the right of the screen where it says Add File, and you're going to upload a file. And here you can just drag and drop that file, and then add files via upload and give it an optional extended description. Nice and short. You can give an additional extended description, commit directly to the development branch. So I'm going to commit. This is to my repo, or my forked version, I mean. Now, I'm one commit ahead of the Sage's AI Education down commit. And so if I want to contribute, I can press here and open a pull request. And then last step is just create a pull request. Now, when this happens, the people who own Sage's AI Education down, they will review the code or the test, the repo, and decide whether they want to accept it, the changes. And that's all it is. And if they accept it, your name gets added to this project.
That's week 7. You can now prove your agent got better with evidence instead of hoping it did. And plenty of adults never learn to do that.
Next week, we ship and celebrate. Demo day is Friday the 14th.
Mm-hmm.
Bring the thing you're proudest of.
And bring your numbers whichever way they went. Bye.
Ciao for now.